How to download Bluetooth for Windows 10. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Bluetooth for Windows 10 easy and fast. So first thing, go to Google and search for download Bluetooth like this. It will take you to this page and click on the first option in the Intel website. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is click here on this download option, and here you need to accept the terms, and congratulations, it will start downloading. And then all what you have to do after it downloads, click on it and install it. And yeah, as you can see, you need to read those informations too. As you can see, download the file and install the current version, and then double click the file to launch installation. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.